Alright, I'm in Sneedsville, Tennessee, as you can see right there, because somebody recommended that I come and ride this road that's here. It's Route 66. It goes from Sneedsville down to Rogersville. And normally I do pay attention when people recommend roads to me, but this one was really cool because the guy said the road is so curvy, it will make you puke. That's a pretty good recommendation in my opinion. So, I've had a big breakfast, so I'm fully prepared for this. So let's go do this. Yep, I'm liking this road a lot.
Here we go now.
As you can see, 66 South, the road's so curvy, it will make you puke. So I am thusly naming it the Puker's Highway. Warning to truckers, switchbacks next 24 miles. That's a very good sign. Now, I looked at this road on the map, and it does, in fact, appear to be extremely curvy. I'm excited for this. And thank you to the guy for making the recommendation. Hopefully you see this. Oh yeah, this is pretty. So I'll go ahead and tell you my criteria for judging roads real quick, just in case you don't know. Has to be curvy. Has to have some elevation changes going on. The road has to be in pretty good shape, and it can't have a billion different turnoffs for houses and businesses and residential stuff. So far, this one's meeting all that criteria to be a great road. And it is quite the squiggly line. Whoa, that kind of sneaks up on you. This will be a good time to remind you that when out here enjoying Appalachian back roads like this, it's always a good idea to not ride faster than you can see, because we do love to toss in little 180-degree turns with basically no warning. Yep, I'm liking this road a lot. Oh, yes. Working our way up the side of the mountain as we go along with it. And this road really is super curvy. I think we just came back down the ridge. We're going up it, and suddenly we decided not to, so we just got back down. Lord have mercy, how steep is this? This feels like a forest road, what it feels like a national forest road. Oh yeah, this is nice. Now we got a little creek going beside of us. Danger, danger, danger. We got ourselves into this little valley here. We're about to get curvy again. 20 miles an hour, please. Sir, yes, sir. Kidding around, that should have been a 15-mile-an-hour turn. That's all the way down to 20 miles an hour, just go around it. Oh yes, this is Appalachian Mountain Road at its best right here. I don't know how many motorcycle people know about this road, but to the people that live here, I'm sorry. But I am going to do my very best to make sure, holy crap, that a whole bunch more of them know about it. Yes, this road is great. I am not one prone to motion sickness. I'm well practiced on navigating curvy mountain Appalachian roads. So I don't even have a little bit of nausea. But I do know some people that are prone to motion sickness, and I can absolutely tell you, you could definitely make them puke on this road. Absolutely. Oh, Lord have mercy. Just keeps turning and turning. That. Slow down. Get a little bit of a view here. That is pretty. Nice. It's also worth saying I've passed one car since I got on this road. I haven't caught up with anybody. There should definitely be other motorcycles on this road. If you bring your motorcycle here and ride this road and you don't like it, I don't even know that you're really a motorcycle enthusiast. A sharp little turn. Another sharp little turn. Not a little. Forward. What's the quickest way to get up this mountain? Just go straight up it. It's fine. They'll figure it out. So this is the third super curvy section where we're going up over a mountain. I think I just saw a mile marker that said 21. So we've been about 20 miles, and I have not been bored at all for any of it. Good Lord. It just threw me above the signal bit. Oh Lord. It's the second car I passed. Oh, this is so steep. This road is so good I may end up having to turn around and go back and do it the other direction. Hey, there's a motorcycle. Somebody knows about it. It's just switchback after switchback after switchback. Still lots of curves. Acts like we're going to go up a hill again here. This would be the fourth time that we've gone up a very twisty little mountain road. Oh, Florida just keeps going and going and going. So what do we rate this highway? You know what? It does have some, like I said, it does have some residential spots, but it, by far, the vast majority does not. So we can get rid of that. So it's very, very curvy. Lots of elevation changes. The pavement's in pretty good shape, so it's definitely a great road. So, but now what to rate it? So as you know, anything that's a great road is at least an 8. And the greatest of roads are like a 9.5, 9.6, somewhere in there, just because there are no perfect roads. But I'm going to say this road, it's going to be up there high in the 8s, like an 8.7, 8.8. That is a lot of fun. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Thank you for recommending that road. Wow. Who knew that was happening here? That was great. If you like the video, like it, comment, share, subscribe. What I miss? I missed something. Whatever. You know, do all that stuff, because every time you do that stuff, it gets me one little step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing. So thanks for watching. Have a good ride. Yeah, boy!